Alright, so I have a solution of copper sulfate here. And the copper sulfate, we're not adding any indicators to it because of the fact that, you know, it's already blue. So it's just going to mess with the colors anyway. But based on the reaction, we should see some changes, okay? So I am going to just give my electrodes a quick wipe again. And focus the camera. Alright, here we go. I see bubbling in one of the electrodes. Some nice bubbling. Vigorous activity at one of the electrodes. And I can kind of see, and I think you can see too, the other electrode is getting darker and darker. So we'll let this run. I'm using copper sulfate. I could have used copper chloride, but again, copper chloride produces chlorine gas, and one reaction with chlorine gas is enough, I think. So this, because this is the fourth reaction, it does quite a bit deteriorate the graphite electrode, which is what you are seeing as like little pieces of carbon, but you can clearly see the vigorous bubbling there. So what you do is you literally just sharpen your pencil and just use it for the next year. It's just a pencil. All right, I think we have enough to check. So let's check. Let's take a look at one of the electrodes. Okay, let me try this one off, and maybe I can just bring it like this. So there is a reddish substance coating the graphite electrode, as you can see. Possibly one of the products from copper sulfate electrolysis. I think you can figure out what that is. Reddish, nice reddish covering on my graphite electrode. Okay, so let me wipe that. Wiping is not always clear because it also brushes off some of the deteriorated graphite, but we can run it again. Let the plating occur again. You can see kind of like the graphite electrode starting to build up. Right there, you can see the electrode. If you guys are hearing some whooshing sounds, I'm just wafting the air around to get rid of that chlorine gas now. Alright, we have our second. Let me focus on that tip. There it is again, the reddish brown stuff right there on the graphite electrode. Okay, oh, that's nice. Hold on, let me focus that. There we go. It's very cool. Micro scale electrolysis. Super fun to do in person. Sorry, this is not that year.